It is very easy to make a password size photo in Microsoft Word. As you can see here, how many photos we have made here on a 4 size paper. So you can make it too. So stay in this video till the end. Then let's start making a password size photo in Microsoft Word. To make a password size photo, first of all, you have to insert the picture in Microsoft Word. So come to insert, click on the picture here. You have to select the picture. We'll insert in this way. After that, you will see the picture format option above. If you do not see this option, then you click on this picture. So this option will start showing you. You have to come inside this, and here you will see an option of wrap text. You have to click on it simply and set it in front of text. I did this so that your picture can move freely. Okay. If you align this wrap text with the text, then it will not be able to move correctly. That's why we did it in front of text here, so that we can move our picture freely anywhere. Okay. After that, what we have to do, this picture has to be cropped in password size photo. So simply see this crop tool. Here will come the crop options. Then you have to crop this picture as much as you want. You select it in password size like this, crop it. Okay, I have selected it this way. You can also move the picture from the middle like this. So this big picture is fine. And then click on crop. So your picture will be cropped in this way. Okay. Now what I have to do, I have to give border in this picture black color. So how will it be? Here in the picture format, you will get the option of picture border. Simply click on it. Here it is, ask which color border do you want to give. So I have selected black color here. Okay, see here the border has come. If you want to increase the thickness of the border, so simply click on it, and you will get to see the weight here in the picture border, and from here you can increase the weight of the border of your photo. For now I have to keep it normal, which we have got by default. Okay, so here your password size photo is ready. You just have to manage its size a little. Okay, to manage the size, click on this photo. So you will see the size on the side of the crop here. Okay, so here you can see the width. Okay, this is the width which is written below. When I hover over it, shape width. So here the width of this photo is 4 centimeters. Always remember this. If your password size photo, it's always the width is 3.5 centimeters. It can be a little up and down. Okay. If your centimeter is not showing here, if your inch is showing here, so you put 2.5 inches here. So this will be your size. Now let's set this in our page. Okay. So I keep it here in the corner, and with control you have to press the shift button. What to do? First press control and then press the shift button and duplicate it. How to duplicate this? So see, I just pressed control and shift button. Okay, and by clicking this photo, I'm bringing it to the side. So look straight here. It came out and came here. Okay, I am going to duplicate here. Okay, remember that my control and shift button I have pressed. What is happening with control? That it is being duplicated. And what is happening with shift here? It is coming perfectly. It is coming straight. It is not going up and down. So look here, it happened. Now select all of them